Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account on Paycom. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in paycom.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Paycom website. Now from the home page, to log into your employee account, hover over to the login button at the top right corner and then click on employee. You will now be taken into the employee account login portal. Just type in your username within the username box and then enter your account password. After entering both of these credentials, you will need to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number or the personal identification number. Just type in whichever one of these credentials you wish to use, and then after you type it in, you can click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account on Paycom. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.